Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you be coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you for your love, thank you for your support, thank you for always stopping by. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Atama soup. This soup is a very delicious soup, easy to make. It doesn't require any extra work, so easy to make and so super delicious. So guys, let me introduce you my ingredients for this recipe. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Help your girl get to 500 subscribers. All right guys, let's get started. So guys, without wasting your time, let me introduce you my ingredients for this Atama soup. I have my beef already washed. I have my onion diced, and I have my beef. I will put the name in the description. I have my stockfish head here, already washed. I have my yellow pepper and my Cameroon pepper. I have my salt and my seasoning cube. I have my palm fruit extract here. I'm using the soft bought one. All I did was just to mix it with hot water. And of course, I have my Atama leaf. I'm using the dried one. What I did was to soak it in warm water, not really warm water, like you need hot water for 3 minutes, and then I washed it out. This is my Atama leaf already washed. So guys, let's start. So guys, cover adding so this is my blended crayfish and yellow pepper. I'll add in my Cameroon pepper. Don't worry guys, this stockfish is going to, you will see how it will just faster and get. I will cover and let it, okay? So guys, let's check on our beef. And let it cook, okay? So guys, try to check on our